Yachts FSBO would like to offer a 1989 37-foot Silverton Convertible Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Mount Sinai, New York, and the asking price is $31,450. The boat has twin 454 Crusader engines with approximately 1,270 hours on them, a beam of 14 feet, displacement of 20,000 pounds, a draft of 3.5 feet, holds approximately 300 gallons of fuel and 80 gallons of water. The engines are 350 horsepower each. The owner states his boat's been professionally maintained regularly by the marina. The boat has GPS, navigation lights, VHF antenna, compass, Faruna, radar, has raw water washdown, windlass, swim platform, anchor, bimini, bow pulpit, bow rail, dinghy lift, fender holders, full enclosure, pedestal seats, steering wheel, and swim ladder. Comes with searchlight, spotlight, and gas fume detector. Has both 110-volt AC outlets and 12-volt DC outlets, circuit breaker panel, docking lights, fuse panel, horn, shore power cord, stereo, tachometer, voltmeter, water heater, battery switch with 5 batteries. Holds approximately 14 persons. Has 2 cabins, sleeping capacity of 6 and 3 berths. It can be lived aboard. It has a 2-zone air conditioning and heat, carpet in the cabin, dinette, refrigerator, freezer, head, salon, shower sink, and stove. Also comes with an 11-foot rib with a 15-horsepower motor. For more information and pictures to contact the owner, visit yachtsfsbo.com.